Guys, we're about to take the old XR150L and the Trail 125 out to the fishing pond. It's about a 20-mile round trip. See if the trail can do it. This XR's done it bunches of times. Look at all those miles now. Dang. Here. Dang, that might be what it is, dude. This might be my lucky trail. It's got the wolf prints on it. Like you can barely see the wolf print. The cub. This is a cub. Dang, and the XR. Orion rode this out here. He's been on the Hawk. Everybody keeps asking though, so I want you to tell the truth. You've ridden the Hawk probably 350 miles, right? Yeah. Those two trips. You rode this over here and a little bit before. Big difference?
Oh yeah. Yeah, better suspension.
Better suspension,
better.
Smoother, quieter, but what else? Feels safer.
Yeah.
Way more confidence riding it.
And I like the size of this one. It fits in more.
Yeah, the Hawk's taller and shittier.
Yeah.
It's taller
and only at 250. It should be like.
We're done fell. You don't see her? You want to check them out? Well, bigger than the other ones. I ain't got that, but pretty cool. Hey, bro, come over here. Yeah, really big, dude. That sucker's big, dog. Oh, it's fish. I see it.
Oh, it's a fish.
Yeah, get her in, dude. Nice job, man.
Hell yeah. Yeah.
Bringing dudes.
Hell yeah.
That might be the biggest one we caught today so far.
Hell
yeah. Dang, bro, on the drop. Come on, baby. It's the same dumb fish we caught 6 times.
Hell yeah. The gills are crazy.
Oh, hell yeah. That's a perch, bro. No, it's a bluegill. Dang, he's a bat. That's a bluegill, a big bluegill. Now we could eat that if you want it. I got a stringer line. We can save them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Close to me too.
Right.
Eating. Yeah, baby. Come on, he's right on the top of the water too. Pretty fish.
Yeah.
Little guy, you see him?
Yeah.
Then we got like some teeth marks on him and shit. Hey, I see. Let me got me one. I think there's some perch right here, Orion.
Yeah, dude. I got a nice big foot on that
one. I let Teresa use this pole for a minute at that lake instead of that one.
Yeah.
Oh, baby.
Oh, hell yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. On the worm. Woo! Dude. Barrage.
Nice.
Dude. I'm a 13. Damn, he's the same size as my shoe. That guy's pretty decent.
Yeah.
Second cast with that worm. Dude, that's pretty.
Hell yeah.
Nice, man. I'll save it.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Bro. Get in here, man. Come on, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so Orion actually just mentioned that because he rode the XR today. We got done fishing out here. And he goes, I guess I'm going to get one probably. It's like I've been really thinking about not doing it, but now after doing it again. So whenever basically Parker didn't want to get up in the morning to go fishing, so it was so good the other day we went back in the afternoon and gonna do a little catch and cook. Check it out. I hope this works out. We're hoping it does. But the first thing you want to do is go to where you think the fish are. I'm pretty sure the fish ain't over here, right, Buster? Let me see, Jay. Okay, go, go, go. Trying to spit you off. Keep going. Keep going. Dang, Parker's casted 4 times and caught 2 bass already. Dude! Nice, that's gonna be easy.
That was quick.
Dude, three or 4 casts, 2 bass
This
for
was my
Parker.
third one and 2 fish.
There you go.
Oh, weeds.
No, it's a fish.
Big mouth.
Yeah.
Hey, man.
That was way out there. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Thanks, buddy. You see this one? Not too bad. There you go, bud. I only used your paring knife. Use my cutting board. Oh, look. You seasoned enough?
Yeah.
Alright, put them in there. Plop her down. Yeah, put them in the pit, like in one of the corners. There you go. And we'll put that in the heat and get all the oil down here. Got it going. Right off it. See what you think?
I'm gonna probably just munch on it.
Damn. Parker.
It's good. Fish.
We'll do it inside. Time to throw them on the barbecue, dude. Let's see. And when I'm done cooking both sides, just take it off and sear it up. Booyah. Pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Heck yeah. Yeah, watch for the bones. You're gonna be like the cat.
And I swallowed one.
They'll be alright. They'll break down in there. You'll fart them out. And the good news is we caught a lot of fish. So it was nice and overcast, caught a bunch of fish, ate some fish, cooked some fish, ate some fish. Orion fingered a couple fish. I seen him. I don't know. Now we're going to see about the trail. Orion, so I rode this, my wife's new bike. You got to break her in. I want it to shift easier and stuff, and I got to break it in for her.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Squish the seat a little bit for her.
Yeah.
Orion rode the XR pretty much for the first time, and then he's like, nah.
Yeah.
I think he's for serious, maybe about getting one soon. I don't know if that tells you guys anything, but he damn sure didn't say that about the Hawk. And it took us all the way to Texoma and back, right?
Yeah.
It's just the ride on the XR compared to it is just so much more plush. Quieter, less chattery, less this stuff, you know what I mean? Yeah.